Hello everyone. If your internet is slow, keeps disconnecting, or Wi-Fi speed is very low, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you easy steps to fix internet issues and speed up your Wi-Fi. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart your router and modem. First thing first, restart your router. Unplug the router and modem from power. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This simple step fixes most internet problems. Step 2. Check router placement. Place your router in the center of your home. Avoid keeping it near walls, metal objects, or inside cupboards. Keep it away from microwaves and cordless phones for better signal. Step 3. Check internet speed. Now, check your internet speed. Open any browser and search internet speed test. If speed is much lower than your plan, the issue may be your router or ISP. Step 4. Reduce connected devices. Too many devices slow down Wi-Fi. Disconnect unused phones, TVs, or smart devices. Fewer devices equals faster internet speed. Step 5. Change Wi-Fi channel. Log in to your router settings. Switch to a less crowded Wi-Fi channel. This helps avoid interference from nearby Wi-Fi networks. Step 6. Update router firmware. Check if your router has a firmware update. Updating firmware improves performance, security, and speed. Step 7. Use Ethernet cable, if possible. For best speed, connect your PC or laptop using a LAN cable. Wired connection is always faster and more stable than Wi-Fi. Step 8. Contact your internet provider. If nothing works, contact your internet service provider. They can check line issues or upgrade your plan if needed. That's it. Your Wi-Fi should now be faster and more stable. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Smile.